Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable driving risk alert sound on your XPeng vehicle. So first, I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance, so the settings may vary. But first, we're going to open up these settings. And here, we're going to go to Real-Time SR Assist. So here, we have the driving. Now, we want to enable driving risk alert sound. So this is basically an audio warning that will be played whenever the car detects that there's a high risk of getting involved in a collision. So also there's the preceding vehicle starting reminder, and of course you have the play the startup sound and guideline animation when the vehicle ahead starts. So that's how you guys can enable the driving risk alert sound. You can disable it like this, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.